Make a great choice today with the 2016 BMW 4 Series. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunctional information center, power windows, one-touch windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.